very good morning to all. Today we are going to start the new lesson number 7, the world of plants. What it is, children? The world of plants. So here we are going to discuss about plants. Okay? We are going to discuss about plants. We have many different kinds of plants in our world, isn't it? They are categorized into many different types. That only we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, children, shall we start to see? What is first heading? Big plants and small plants. Okay, plants are classified into two different types. Okay, one is big plants and another one is small plants. Okay, different plants have different sizes, isn't it, children? Yes, different plants have different sizes. Some plants are big, some plants are small, isn't it? Some plants are big in size, some plants are very small in size. Okay, that only we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, children, shall we start to read it fast? Go to the first topic about big plants. What it is, children? Big plants. What is the spelling of big? B-I-G. Big plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Big plants. What is it about big plants? Shall we start to see that? Very big plants are called trees. What it is? Very big plants are called trees. We call very big plants are called trees. Okay, children. Trees live for many years, isn't it? Yes, trees and all live for many years. Okay, most trees have branches. Okay, most of the trees have branches. Okay, then the examples of trees they given here are neem tree, banyan tree, and mango tree. Are big plants. What are all the big plants, children? Neem tree, banyan tree, and mango tree. Okay, what they said about big plants, children? We call big plants are trees. Okay, mostly trees lives for many years. Okay, trees also have many branches. Okay, the example of trees are neem tree, banyan tree, and mango tree. This such trees only they given here. I am going to show you these plants. Okay, I am going to show you the plants. These plants grow like a big. Okay, so they are called trees. Okay, see, this have many branches and it have a flower also. See, yellow color flower. So these plants grow very big in size. That does it to be tree. Okay, I showed you only the branches of only one branch. I am showing you here. Okay, this is also a tree only. I am here showing you only one branch of this plant. Okay, children, and this also, see, here is also one of the small plant I am showing here. It is also grow as a very big plant. So this is also a tree. Okay, children, this is an example of tree that I am showing you here. I showed you only one branches. Okay, are you clear about what is tree here? Very big plants are called trees. Okay, children, it is also many branches. It lives for many years also. Okay, and then what they said about trees? See, the stem of a tree is called the trunk. Okay, the stem of a big tree, the stem of a big tree is called what it is? Trunk. What is, children? Trunk. What is the name spelling of trunk? T or U N K. Trunk. Trees gives us shade, fruits, and wood. Okay, what are all the trees gives? They gives us shade, fruit, and wood also. Trees are homes of many animals such as birds and monkeys, isn't it? Trees are homes for animals such as birds and monkeys. Birds stay in the tree only. You know, they build the nest and they stay in the tree only, and also monkeys used to stay in the tree only. It will travel from one place to another by using the tree, isn't it, children? So trees are home of animals such as birds and monkeys. Okay, children, these are all about big plants. Okay, what saw about the big plants? The stem of a tree is called a trunk, and it has many shapes, size and color. Okay, and it is also have flower also. Okay, the trees of homes of many animals such as birds and monkeys. This is all about big plants. Okay, children. Then we are going to discuss about small plants. Okay, and we are going to discuss about small plants. Okay, small plants are smaller than trees. Okay, small plants are smaller than trees. Is it right, children? Yes. Why we call small plant? Because it is smaller. Small plants are smaller than trees, isn't it, children? So we call very small plants as plants only, small plants only. Okay. Their stems are thinner. Their stems are thinner and weaker. Small plant stems are very thinner and also weaker. But big plants stems are thicker. Okay. It is not. It is very strong. So when compared to the big plants, small plant stems have very thinner and weaker stem. Okay, children. They are not very tall. They are also not very tall, which means they are not also very big. The examples of the categorized as small plants are herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers are small plants. They categorize small plants are herbs, shrubs. Okay, what it is? Herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers are small plants. Okay, we are going to discuss about one by one about this. Okay, shall we start with the first topic? Herbs. Okay, what it is? Herbs. See, what is the spelling of herbs? H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Herbs are very small plants. See, we are talking about small plants only. When comparing to small plants, herbs are very small plants. They have weak and thin stems. They also have very weak and thin stems. The stems of herbs are very soft. Okay, the stems of herbs are very soft. See, I am going to show you the example of herbs are tulasi. See here, it is the leaf of tulasi. Okay, see how the stems looks like. It is very thin. Stems, how the stems looks like, children. See, it is very thin and weaker, and that is also very soft. Okay, and I am going to show you about the herbs coriander. What it is? See, coriander. Its stems also very thin and weaker, and it is also very soft. We can easily like this. We can do like this. Okay, with this coriander. And then I am going to show you mint. What it is? I am going to show you mint. The stems is also very thin and weaker. Okay, children. So the examples of herbs we can say coriander, mint, and tulasi. Okay, children. Are you all clear about this? What are all the herbs? What are all the herbs? What I said about herbs examples: mint, tulasi, and coriander. Okay, children. Because stems are all very thin and weaker, and also the stems are very soft. Okay, children, and it is also very small plants. Okay, and then we move to the shrubs. Okay, shrubs are bigger and taller than herbs. Shrubs are bigger but taller than herbs. Okay, shrubs have hard and woody stems. How the stems of herbs, shrubs would be, children? Hard and woody stems. Okay, what we said about big plants, children, stems is very thicker and strong, isn't it? Trees have very thicker and woody stems, and it is very strong. We call as trunk. If we move to the small plants, we have classified small plants into 4 types. One is herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers. Okay, herbs are very small in size, and it is also stems are weak and thin. The stems of herbs are very soft also. Okay, I showed you tulasi, mint, and coriander, isn't it? If we move to the shrubs, are bigger but taller. have hard and woody stems. Here I am going to show you hibiscus flower. See, the stem is hard. See how the stem of hibiscus flower look like. It is very hard and it is also woody. Okay. So the example of shrubs is I showed you here hibiscus plant. Okay. We can call rose plant, jasmine, and also we can call an example of for shrubs. Okay, children. Today here we have discussed about trees, herbs, and shrubs. Okay, children.
Okay, children. Your assignment is you have to complete book exercise page number 108 and 109 in book. Okay, that means what you have to complete means you have to complete only choose the correct answer, tick the correct sentence, cross the wrong ones, and match the following. Okay, you have to complete these three only, children. See, choose the correct answer, you have to find out the correct answer, and you have to write in the blank. Okay, and to match the following you have to find out the correct match and you have to answer it and tick the correct sentence. For cross the wrong ones you have to read the sentence, and if it is a correct sentence you have to put a tick mark in it, and if it is a wrong sentence you have to put a wrong mark in it. Okay, children, this one you have to complete in your book. It is in page number 108 and 109 in book. And then activity is you have to complete worksheets 1, 2 and 3 in book. Okay, for worksheet choose a correct answer. For worksheet 1 you have to choose a correct answer and fill in the blanks and circle the things that we get from trees. And then for worksheet 2 circle the things that plants need to grow. And then we have a second option, that is you have to say whether they grow on big plants or small plants. Write the letter B for big plants and S for S plants. Okay, this one you have to complete it in page number 112, and then 113 we have a small riddles. That one you have to complete in your book. Okay, children, this is your homework. Complete it and send in your WhatsApp group, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.